Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower coaster step by step. I'll also show you how to make a matching basket to store your coasters. Let's get started! To crochet the coaster, I am using medium weight yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. First, I make a magic ring. I chain 1. Into the magic ring, I crochet 10 double crochets. My 10 double crochets are ready. I tighten the magic ring. I join with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. I chain 1 and move to the second round. In the second round, I crochet 2 double crochets into the top of each stitch. I also crochet 2 double crochets into the next stitch. I continue this way until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. I chain 1 and move to the third round. In the third round, I crochet 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Into the next stitch, I crochet 2 double crochets. The next stitch is 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, I crochet 2 double crochets. In this round, we continue 1 single and 1 increase until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. I chain 1 and move to the fourth round. In the fourth round, I crochet 2 double crochets one by one. Into the next stitch, I crochet 2 double crochets. Again, I crochet 2 double crochets one by one. Into the next stitch, I crochet 2 double crochets. Until the end of the round, we continue with 2 single and 1 increased double crochets. Our fourth round is finished. I move to the fifth round and chain 1. Again, I crochet 3 double crochets one by one. Into the next stitch, I crochet 2 double crochets. We continue like this until the end of the round. Our fifth round is also finished, and I chain one and cut the yarn. To crochet the leaf part, I use green yarn. I attach the yarn and secure it where I cut the previous yarn. I chain 5. Into the place where I made the 5 chains, I crochet 1 double crochet. I skip 2 chains and insert my hook into the third chain. I crochet 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 1 double crochet into the same place. Again, I skip 2 chains and insert my hook into the third chain. I crochet 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 1 double crochet into the same place. I continue this way until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. The leaf part is now ready. To crochet the flower part, I use pink yarn. I attach the yarn and secure it in this part. I chain 1 and crochet 1 single crochet here. I hold the short yarn tails with my hand and hide them as I crochet. I chain 2. Into the V-shaped space, I crochet 5 double crochets. I insert my hook into the top of the first double crochet and pull the loop through with a slip stitch. I chain 2. Into the next space, I crochet 1 single crochet. I chain 2. Into the next space, I crochet 5 double crochets. I remove the loop from the hook and insert the hook into the first double crochet, then pull the loop through with a slip stitch. I chain 2. Into the next space, I crochet one single crochet, I chain 2, I'm crocheting 5 double crochet stitches into the gap. Again, I insert the hook into the first double crochet and pull the loop through with a slip stitch. I chain 2, one single crochet. I continue crocheting the flowers like this until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. I turn the short yarn tail to the back side and hide it, then cut the remaining yarn. My coaster is now ready. Now I will crochet a coaster basket. For this I use another yarn. I make a magic ring. I chain 1. Into the magic ring, I crochet 10 half double crochets. My 10 half double crochets are ready and I tighten the magic ring. I join with a slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet. I chain 1 and move to the second round. In the second round, I crochet 2 half double crochets into each stitch. I continue this way until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. I chain 1 and move to the third round. In the third round, I crochet 1 single and 1 increase with half double crochets. The first stitch is 1 half double crochet and into the next stitch I crochet 2 half double crochets in the same place. I reach the end of the round and join into the first stitch. I chain 1. Now the bottom part of the basket is ready. To create the upper part, we will insert the hook into only one loop of each stitch to shape the sides upward. We do not insert the hook through the whole stitch, only into the front loop. In this way, we finish the round by inserting the hook into only one loop of each stitch. I reach the end of the round and join with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. I chain one and move to the next round. As you can see, the sides of the basket have started to form. From this round onward, we insert the hook into the full stitch again. We continue like this until we have 4 rounds. I finished my 4 rounds. And at the end, I will make a reverse single crochet round. For this, instead of working from right to left, we work from left to right. I pull the yarn through and make a reverse single crochet. I insert my hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn through. We continue from left to right like this to create a nice edge. We continue until the end of the round. I reach the end of the round. I cut the yarn. I pull the loop out and insert it into the first reverse single crochet, pull it to the inside and hide it. I cut the remaining yarn. My coaster basket is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this flower coaster and basket with me. See you in the next video.